Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust the video quality while watching content on YouTube Kids using your browser on your PC. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to youtubekids.com, then start playing any video. Now, pause the video and click on the three-dot menu located at the top corner of the video player. Once the menu opens, scroll down and click on Quality. Here you'll see two main options: Data Saver, which plays the video in the lower quality to reduce internet usage, and Auto, which automatically selects the best quality based on your internet speed. If you are on a slower connection, Data Saver is great for smooth playback, but if your network is stable and fast, choose Auto for the best viewing experience. And that's it, guys. You have just adjusted the video quality in YouTube Kids. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.